Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys I'll be showing you how to go and join an alliance in Dark War Survival. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the game itself. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and join alliance in Dark War Survival. So first of all, you need to go and complete the tutorial until the alliance feature unlocks. In some versions of the game, when you of course do it, you'll have of course all of these things around your screen that you unlock. You'll sometimes not have it or have some problems, as I do in my account where the alliance is not showing up, but it will be a flag icon. Now, when you of course do it, you need to of course tap on the alliance flag icon in the main screen, which you will get here, as you have all of these icons here that you can of course go and click on, the VIP, etc. And then you can of course just go and browse the alliance that you want, click on apply, and open the alliance. The open alliance let you join automatically. Invite only alliances require approval from the leader or the officers. If you cannot join it, finish the tutorial, of course, as they support if the problem can be of course resolved, and you will have the alliance chat in the bottom right corner where you have the, as you can see, messages, and then alliance where you can of course go and chat with your alliance if of course you have the need for that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. That will be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, as always, until next time, bye guys.